Elias wasn't a kingpin or a snitch. He was a ghost. He had survived 12 years of a 20-year sentence by being exactly where he was supposed to be, doing exactly what he was told. In the world of the incarcerated, the greatest enemy isn't the guards, it's the sensory deprivation. After a decade, you forget the smell of rain on hot asphalt or the specific sting of a fresh lime. The food is brown, the walls are gray, and the air smells like industrial floor wax and recycled breath. One Tuesday, Elias acquired a lemon. It didn't come from a daring heist. It was a fluke. A delivery crate in the kitchen had cracked, and a single bruised fruit had rolled under a stainless steel table. Elias, on mop duty, had palmed it with the grace of a magician. To a free person, it was a piece of trash. To Elias, it was yellow. It was a color so vibrant it felt like a scream in a library. Back in his cell, Elias didn't eat it. That would be too fast. Instead, he started a session. He scraped a tiny sliver of the zest with a sharpened fingernail. He passed the sliver under his nose and shut his eyes. For 30 seconds, he wasn't in a 6x9 concrete box. He was in his grandmother's kitchen in 2004. He didn't keep it all. He traded a quarter of the lemon to a man named Sully for 3 sugar packets and a clean pair of socks. Sully didn't eat his portion either. He squeezed the juice into a cup of lukewarm tap water and sat on his bunk, staring at the ceiling as if he were drinking fine champagne at a wedding. By lights out, the lemon was gone, but the cell smelled faintly of citrus. For the first time in months, the men in the neighboring cells stopped shouting. They just sat in the dark, breathing in a scent that reminded them they were still biological creatures, not just numbers on a manifest. People think prison is about fighting for territory. Usually, it's about fighting to remember what it feels like to be human. Elias went to sleep that night feeling like a wealthy man, not because he had power, but because he had tasted something that wasn't provided by the state. In the morning, the lemon peel was in the trash, and the world was gray again. But Elias had the memory of the yellow, and that was enough to get him to Wednesday.